Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Shavita and today we're going to do a quick workout to work our core and our glutes. So this is yoga for core and glutes. Welcome to my channel. Let's lie down on the mat and let's take a couple of deep breaths in and deep breaths out. This will just help us get centered. You can have your knees bent or you can have your legs long. Let's just take a nice big exhale with the count of 3, 2, 1. Inhale with the count of 3, 2, 1. Exhale with the count of 3, 2, 1. And just inhale presence for the next 10 minutes for you to focus totally on yourself just for a few minutes of the day. Let's bend the knees. And then hug the knees in. Have a little rock one way, have a little rock the other way. And place the feet on the floor. And let's roll up into a bridge and roll back down. Rolling up into a bridge and rolling back down. This time inhale, lift up, interlock the fingers underneath. Keep the shoulders close together, the shoulder blades. You're opening up your chest and your shoulders and then roll back down. We're going to roll back up, squeeze the glutes and back down. Roll up and down, up and down, up and down. Let's squeeze the glutes as you come up. Pause for a second and come down. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, keep breathing, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold it there and pulse, 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 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hold it up, come up onto your toes and then drop it back down and up again. So we're on our toes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly coming down, hug your knees in. Take a big breath in, take a big breath out. We're doing so well. Let's open up the feet, nice and wide, toes pointing out, hands beside our legs. We're going to squeeze up and down. So we're working the outside glute muscles. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Try not to touch the buttocks onto the mat. So you're keeping that resistance in the glute muscles. Just keep going up and down. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now hold it up there and come up onto your heels so that you're lifting your toes up and then you're coming down and up, down and up, down and up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, squeeze, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now hold it up and then open the knees wide and close them. That's it. Open, close, lift up higher. For 10, 9, 8, 7, we're doing so well. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you can rest if you want or just add a little pulses for the last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly roll down. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath out. Take a breath in. Take a breath out. We're going to have our feet hip distance apart on the mat. And we're going to exhale exhale and your belly button goes in towards your spine. Okay, so inhale, exhale through the mouth. Shh. Inhale, exhale through the mouth. Shh. Good, now we're going to add movement to that. So hands behind your head, inhale, exhale, lift and hold. And down. Inhale, exhale, lift and hold. And down. Lifting up and holding. Let's do 10. Keep your elbows back and keep space between your chin and your chest. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Hold it there. Pulse. 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 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. And then hug your knees. Well done. Have a little rock one way. Have a little rock the other way. Beautiful. At this time, we're going to lift our feet up 90-90, hands behind our head, and we're going to inhale, lift, and twist. And back to center, and twist. So let's do this together. Hands behind your head, inhale, exhale, lift, and twist. And center, and twist. And center, and twist. 10. 10. 9. 9. 8. 8. 7. 7. 6. 6. 5. 5. 4. 4. 3. 3. 2. 2. 1. And 1. Well done. Hug your knees in. Big breath in, big breath out. We're going to roll over onto all fours. Rolling over onto all fours. Pull the belly button in. And then just tuck the toes under and lift up those knees. That's it. Pull in that belly button and gently release. Inhale, lift up, pull in that belly button. And gently release. And one more time, inhale, lift up, and this time we're going to go into a downward facing dog. And you're just walking it out, left, right, left, right. And we're going to come up into high plank, bend the knees, and then come back into a downward facing dog. Breathing in, breathing out, and again, forward, and back into the downward facing dog. Now this time, lift up your right leg, and take it over to the right elbow. Inhale, lift up to the center. Inhale, lift up to the opposite elbow. And back up and down. Let's do that with the other leg, lifting up the left leg. Inhale, keeping the glutes pulling, reaching up to the center, reaching up to the opposite elbow, reaching up and down. We're going to do that one more time. Inhale, lift up the right leg, take it to the right elbow, and up to the center, and up, and to the opposite elbow, and up, and down. Other side, inhale, reach up the left leg, left elbow, up, center, up, right elbow, up, and down. And then we're going to come into a high plank. Hold it here. Pulling your belly button in for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then gently bring the knees down and come into child's pose. And breathe. Breathe in and breathe out. Connecting to your breath. Nice long deep breaths in. Nice long deep breaths out. We're going to melt our hearts down. Knees together. Chest in between the hands. Chin on the mat. And breathe. 3, bring our hands back. Inhale, look up. Exhale, down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, down. Neutralize your spine. And then we're going to come and sit. I'm going to stretch out our glutes. Bring one leg in front. Heel doesn't touch the shin. And walk your fingers forward. And breathe. In. And breathe out. Breathing in and breathing out. Change sides. Reaching your fingers forward. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. And then bring the soles of your feet together. Interlock your fingers underneath. And then just flap the knees out like a butterfly. Nice long deep breaths in. Nice long deep breaths out. And then gently coming into a cross-legged position. Inhale, lift up those arms, grab hold of those elbows, and then just come over to one side. Come over to the left. Make sure the right buttocks is on the mat. And then back up. Inhale. Exhale. And then place the hands on your knees. Take a tiny circle one way, the other way. And tiny circles coming up. And then come into sitting. Take a nice big exhale for the count of 3, 2, 1. Inhale for the count of 3, 2, 1. Relax your shoulders. Just acknowledge your achievements of giving yourself 10 minutes of the day for you to dedicate to yourself. And think of 3 things that you're grateful for this very moment on your mat. And just breathe it into your body and give gratitude to having those things or feelings in your life. And then gently, whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes. Thank you for joining me for this short 10-minute class. I really appreciate you. If you like the class, don't forget to share, comment, let me know how you're going, and subscribe. I thank you so much.